Hello and good afternoon and welcome to the Royal Monceau in Paris, Royal Monceau Raffles. Absolutely delighted to be here. Come and have a look. It's been a long time. I've had the passion to visit this beautiful palace, and today we are here finally at the Royal Monceau Raffles, and what an incredible suite. But the individual touches are just so touching. Incredible, the selection of pastries here, lovely drinks, but one of the most stunning things is the photographs. They found photographs of my daughter Ocean and I, and they've printed them out and put them, look at this beautiful bunch of flowers. Another picture of Ocean and I in Paris some years ago. So delightful, an incredible gift set here from Clarence. And have a look through more of this suite, just to see the bedroom and the bed. It's just an incredible touch. Here is the monogrammed bed linen. Look at that. TW, Tessa Williams, OW, Ocean Wave. We've got our own pillows, so if we wake up in the morning, we don't know who we are. Look at that. We've got our initials monogrammed there. And more photographs right there. And another such a beautiful aspect of this hotel here at the Royal Monceau Raffles in Paris. Every single room has its own guitar. So might have a strum of that later. There's our face masks by Clarence. If you fancy treatment, we could be going in that direction. And what a beautiful bathroom. Look at this stunning white bath. It's really wonderful to be here and just see this incredible Philippe Starck transformation here. The hotel was originally founded in 1928, so it has a wealth of history. Many fascinating people have stayed here, from Ernest Hemingway, Mistinguett, Josephine Baker, to in later days Micheal Jackson, Madonna. But here we are, Ocean and Tessa today, and delighted to find out more of the hotel. And it will be a very fascinating chapter of Hotels of the Stars too. Thanks for tuning in.